Next up, let's talk about iPhone. iPhone and the incredible capabilities that it puts into people's hands has changed the way we live our lives. It's changed industries and led to the creation of entirely new ones, and it's made a profound impact on all of our daily lives. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the newest iPhone. This is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities and an incredible new design.
The innovations in iPhone 11 are truly remarkable, and that starts with the design. iPhone 11 has a beautiful anodized aluminum and glass design. And that glass, it's the toughest ever in a smartphone, on the front and back. And the glass that surrounds the camera has a sculpted 3D geometry, and it was precision milled down from a single piece of glass to achieve this elegant look. iPhone 11 comes in 6 new colors with an all-new purple, white, yellow, green, black, and product red. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display with True Tone, wide color, tap to wake, and haptic touch in even more places with iOS 13, like contextual menus. And now we have spatial audio, which provides an immersive theater-like experience by creating a sound field around you using an Apple-designed virtualizer. And we support Dolby Atmos for an incredible sound experience. Now let's talk about camera. We have an amazing dual camera system with an all-new wide camera, with a new sensor with 100% focus pixels for faster autofocus, 3 times faster in low light. And we have a new ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. Because now you can take a wide camera shot like this, but switch to the ultra-wide. The details still are there in the sky, the rocks, and the sand. So now when you're taking a wide camera shot, you'll see our new immersive camera interface that lets you see outside the frame, hinting at a bigger shot. Then you can simply tap to switch to the ultra-wide, revealing more of your scene. All right, let's talk about night mode. This is for those very low light environments, like outdoors at night or inside a dimly lit restaurant. Here's an image with night mode turned off. Here it is with night mode turned on. All right, we know you love taking videos, and you're capturing more than ever on iPhone. So when taking video, you can easily tap to switch to the ultra-wide camera to capture even more in your scene. You can also use the zoom wheel to just transition easily between the 2 cameras. Now we make it great to capture in all the formats you love, because we support 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second, slow-mo, time-lapse, cinematic video stabilization, and now extended dynamic range at 4K up to 60 frames per second. And this is across both cameras, which is pretty cool. We also wanted to make it easier for you to take a quick video with Quick Take. So now when you're taking photos and you decide you want to take a quick video, simply tap and hold the shutter button to record a video. You can do that without changing frames. So video really shines on iPhone 11. In fact, it has the highest quality video ever in a smartphone. Night mode, a brighter flash, next-gen smart HDR, and the highest quality video. It will change the way you take your photos and videos. We've also updated our front TrueDepth camera to a wider 12-megapixel sensor. Also on the front camera, we've added 4K video with extended dynamic range up to 30 frames per second. And you can also capture on the front at 4K 60 as well. And iPhone 11 has leading performance for your everyday to the most demanding task. Well, now we're introducing the A13 Bionic, the next generation of our industry-leading chip. Well, the A13 Bionic is just going to extend that lead even further. The A13 is the fastest CPU ever in a smartphone, because the A13 Bionic is also the fastest GPU ever in a smartphone. All right, so battery. We know that battery life is really important to customers. And last year with the iPhone XR, we already had the longest battery life in an iPhone ever, and it was a big leap and our customers loved it. So with the advancements in iPhone 11, It'll still have an hour more than battery than in your iPhone XR for incredible battery life. The advances in iPhone 11 really touch areas that customers experience every day. This is innovation that matters. Powerful dual camera system, night mode, and things we didn't even have time to talk about, like faster Face ID, water and dust resistance, wireless charging, Wi-Fi to experience it. So we're really excited to offer iPhone 11 at just $699.